Okay, let's discuss question number 120. What question says? It says the decomposition mechanism of ozone is as follows. So they are given the decomposition mechanism of ozone. And they are giving one more condition, that if K minus 1 multiplied O2 is very less than K2 O3, then what will be the order of reaction with respect to ozone? Order of reaction with respect to ozone they are asking. So at the start of reaction, the concentration of O2 will be less than concentration of O3 because O3 is the reactant. So we can safely say that according to this condition, the magnitude of K minus 1 is very less than magnitude of K2. So let's ignore the K minus 1. Even if we do not ignore K minus 1 and we do the usual method of steady state concept, applying on oxygen radicals and finally applying this condition, still we will get the answer. But to do it fast, just ignore this backward step, rate constant. So what it becomes? It becomes now we can apply steady state concept. The concentration of oxygen with respect to time is constant. So if we see this step, so it is K1 O3, here it is getting produced and here it is getting used. So it is, this is 0. So we get K1 O3 equal to K2 O3O. So we get this relation K2 or O equal to K1 by K2. Now if we write the formation of the rate of formation of O2, then what we get, O2 is producing here, we are just ignoring this reverse. So we can write K1 O3 plus 2K2. Why I have multiplied 2K2? Because here stoichiometric coefficient is 2. If you are getting confused, if you write this rate law for this in terms of rate of formation of O2, 1 by 2 will come here, so it will multiplied be here. If you write separately both the steps, finally you will get this one. Now K1 equal to K2O, or you can write K2O is K1. So it is K1 O3. You will get 2 K1 O3. So ultimately it is 3 K1 O3. So with respect to O3, the order of reaction is 1. You can also solve it by this rate of reaction of O3. So that is also K1 O3, and you will get plus K2 O3O. So again you will get 2 K1 O3, because K2O is K1 O3. You can check that this is 3 and this is 2. If you write a rate of reaction, then you can find out. You will get stoichiometric coefficient 24O3 and 34O2. If you write that, you can cross check. So the answer to this problem, what is the order of reaction? Order of reaction with respect to ozone is 1. So the answer is 1, that is option 2. Option 2 is correct, which is saying the order of reaction is 1. So this question is finished, but couple of points regarding this question. As I told earlier, there is one more method to solve it. If we do not consider K minus 1 negligible at the start of reaction, the all derivation will be bigger, and later on we will get the same result. They could have changed the question. If suppose in place of this they are giving like this, then the answer will turn out to be second order reaction with respect to ozone, and that time we will not able to neglect this. So that time it will be a long question. Anyway, as far as they are asking the question, answer is first order with respect to ozone. Thank you.